Awesome.
Hi, Minnesota. This is Christy Thompson with Christy Legal, divorce and child custody paralegal and mediator. Today I am with Kyle Rudisil. He is a mortgage loan advisor in the Rochester area, and he is someone who you are definitely going to want to know when you're divorcing, or even if you're not divorcing. Kyle, please tell us a little bit about yourself and then tell us why you love the work you do.
Yeah, thanks for having me on, Christy. So yeah, I'm a mortgage loan officer with Prime Source Funding. We are the largest mortgage broker in southern Minnesota. We have branches in Mankato and Rochester, so we kind of try and spread out across southeast here. Myself, I got a degree in finance in 2016 from Mankato, so Minnesota State University, Mankato. Came to Rochester for work as a financial analyst and kind of worked my way into financing, kind of away from the analyst side and more towards, getting into financing autos for a while and then financing mortgages. And so I started with Prime Source doing mortgages for the first time in 2019, and I've been here ever since. We are broker licensed, right? So I'm a licensed loan officer, federally and by the state. We do business just in the state of Minnesota right now, but we can do a home loan anywhere in the state. And we focus on refinance and purchase for residential homes, right? So kind of pretty broad. Pretty much anybody that wants to own a home or refinance their home loan can work with us. Yeah, I've been doing it. I guess it's coming up on about 6 years now, and really, love what I'm doing right now just because it does fit my background, with the finance background I have from school. And I didn't quite want to be a real estate agent, so I figured mortgages might be a good fit for me as I kind of worked into this area of expertise.
Alrighty. And are there any other things that you really love about the work that you do? Anything that like feeds your soul?
Absolutely. Yeah. I mean, when I came in over here, I would say, versus the auto industry, I really wanted to be able to work where I felt like I was in the corner the person I'm working with, right? It's not like hey, I'm doing you a service and now you pay me. It's not like that. Like, we're in an industry in the mortgage industry where most people need us because most people don't have cash to go buy a home in cash, right? So they're needing some sort of financing to get into a home, whether it's first-time home buyers that are needing affordability programs, or whether it's second, third, fourth-time home buyers that are just simply looking for the best possible mortgage solution. And by mortgage solution, it's not just interest rates. It's not one thing, right? That oftentimes is the thing is like your first question would be like, oh, why work with a mortgage broker versus going to my local bank? Well, there's lots of reasons, but in terms of what we're looking to do and what helps me feel good about what I do is I don't just have to focus on interest rates. Yes, I can get good interest rates. Yes, I can get good closing costs, but really I'm here to make the process feel white glove, and I love that. I love feeling like I can educate and hold hands and kind of bring through the process in a way where they're not getting that elsewhere when they go for a mortgage. And at the end of the day, earn a 5-star Google review and have them refer a friend or a family member or coworker and really earn that, right? And so that knowing that I can help in that way is what gets me up and doing it every single day.
Awesome. Alrighty. Thank you so much for your time today, Kyle. And again, this is Christy Thompson with Christy Legal, and I hope that everyone in Minnesota has a great rest of the day.